Hello, friends. I have a lot of slides like this one from when I was younger. I used to take lots of pictures, and I'm thinking of converting these slides into a digital format. Hmm? My idea is to use my camera, take pictures of the slide, and then blow it up. Hmm? For this, I would have to create a structure between the camera and the slide where it focuses and take pictures of it. And I'm going to try this with my Coolpix camera and with my webcam and see what kind of quality I can get. This camera is a Coolpix compact camera. It has a macro setting that takes pictures at most between 7 and 10 centimeters away from the lens. It can focus only that close. And the full picture of that position is about 10 centimeters wide. That is about 10 times bigger than the size of the slide, of the picture in the slide. And this camera can give me a harsh quality of about 4,000 or a bit over 4,000 pixels per side. So that means it really is going to be taking pictures of a tenth of the full size of the slide. So we see what quality that delivers. This other camera is my webcam. This camera also has a macro setting that allows me to focus at about 7 centimeters away from the lens. The field of view of that setting is smaller than the field of view of the Coolpix. But this camera, this webcam, uh, gives me a much lower quality image than the Coolpix. So that gain in field of view is lost in the, but I'll still test it with this camera to see what quality I can get. Now, to take pictures of a slide, I have to create a box that stops all light from coming in between the camera and the slide. And all light should come in through the slide and not through the sides. The box I have to build around the slide and the camera. I'll make that box with copper because if it works, then I want to have something that will last quite a long time, but I've got a lot of slides to copy. However, if you want to make the box of wood or cardboard, that's up to you. It's just the same idea. it might be convenient to paint it on the inside a black color. The same here, just in case any light that goes through the slide might get tinged with the color of the copper, a red tone. And then you can start copying your slides. This is the image we get with a compact camera, which gives us around 10 million pixels. When we crop the image, we get 1 million pixels. This image is good enough for videos in YouTube, for social networks, to show our family, our grandchildren, but not enough for a commercial photograph. This is my setup with the webcam and the field of view of the webcam. And this is the image I got with the webcam. The quality is even lower, and our grandchildren will just laugh at us. If we want images of higher quality, we have two options. One is the ability of taking the lens off and putting it on the other side of a bellows. And that way we will bring the lens nearer the camera or farther away, depending on the size of the field we want to cover with our image. If the camera can get into the field where the slide is, that will give us the highest quality, but it has to be able to focus at that distance. Yeah? The bellows helps us to achieve that. The other option is a camera that has a macro zoom lens on it. A good macro zoom lens should be able to focus on that field, and at the distance the zoom gets into that field. Usually we won't find that kind of lenses on compact cameras. We will have to buy a professional or semi-professional camera. Those are the only cameras that have macro zooms and the ability of taking the lens on and off. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please remember give it a thumbs up and share it, so on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.